Morning students, I welcome every one of you for this online class. In today's class, we are going to see about the natural hazards, and the natural hazard which we are going to see in detail is the seismic activity, that is earthquake. Earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth. It causes a massive destruction, that is great destruction in densely populated areas, and it can happen without any warning to the people present in that particular area. Uh, to, to see about or to know about the cause for this earthquake, we need to see the next picture. When you see this here, there is a crack on the road, and this is caused due to the seismic waves that is evolving from a particular center called as hypocenter. Why does the earth shake? See here, there is a fault or there is a crack on the rock, and it is present at a particular distance, and because of this the rocks, they divide or break up into two portions in the opposite direction, and there is a friction. Because of friction, these rocks, they move relative to each other, and from a particular center called as focus, or in correct name it is called as hypocenter, these waves, they evolve and they reach the surface of the earth. In a straight along a straight line, we have written this as epicenter. So the epicenter, it is present in a straight way to the focus on the crust of the earth. So because of this epicenter, we are affected. Okay, so then we are going to see about the types of seismic waves. So first type is called as P wave, or this is otherwise called as primary wave or preliminary waves. So you can see the movement of the wave, that is the particles of the earth, they move along the direction of propagation of the wave. That is, the wave propagates along the particles of the earth. Particles, they vibrate along the direction of propagation of the seismic wave. Okay, so this is called as preliminary wave. Another one type of seismic wave is present. It is called as S wave. In this case, the particles of the earth, it vibrates in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the seismic wave or the earthquake wave. And this wave causes high tremors. Protect ourselves during the occurrence of earthquake. During the earthquake, one should not run away because the falling objects may fall on them. And we should not sit near the windows, and we should take shelter under the bigger objects like such as table. And one should stand in an outer space because the buildings may collapse during an earthquake. And if you are on a ride, please stop your car and stay inside the vehicle till the earthquake is over. With this, I stop this session, and remaining we shall see in the next class. Thank you, students.